This is Rick Simon with Falcon Asphalt Repair Equipment, standing here alongside of a Kenworth truck from Murfreesboro, Tennessee. They repurposed this truck. It's a 2018 chassis that had a different patcher on it in the past. They took that patcher off, and working with JetVac, our dealer in Tennessee, that put a 6-ton Falcon hotbox on. So we'll do a little quick walk around and show you some of the features of the truck. This is our on-off switch to kill the batteries. We also have a charger here to keep the batteries charged. Battery box is located up in this box. Alongside the machine here, we have a bracket for a propane tank for the torch. As you can see, a ladder here that folds down to access the platform. We have a box here for storage, so an empty storage box there, use however you like. Along the side of the machine, we also have storage boxes here for tools. That box is clear through, 2 doors on it, all doors vacuum sealed. Going down further down the box, this storage cabinet houses the hose reel. That hose reel is for the torch. We showed you where the bracket is for the tank. So along the back, you've got your rosebud torch here. This port is if you had an air compressor and an air wand, blast wand, that hose reel would be inside, and there's your port for that. So that's optional equipment as well. Along the back side of the machine, we've got our drop-down shovel apron. This shovel apron can be located in the down position or in the up position, so slides up and out of the way. Our controls over here for the doors, so hydraulic controls on the doors. Our material door, hydraulically opens. Our loading doors, so when you go to the plant to pick up a load of asphalt, you're going to open your doors and load from the top. See, those doors will fold out as well, helping have a chute so that the asphalt will come into the hopper. Also have a light bar up top, or an arrow board up top. That's adjustable, so if we get into the dump position, that will pivot. Our dump, so box also dumps. These controls are on a tether so that you don't have to be standing right next to the machine when you are utilizing them. But as you can see, as we dump, you can stand over here away from the machine so you're out of harm's way. We're over here on the curb side of the machine. Safety first, always on the curb side with the Falcon. Also, on this side, we have a tack spray wand. So we've got a 50-gallon tack tank located up front. We have the Honda motor and the Viking pump pumping material through the spray wand. There's a hose reel inside of this cabinet. There is also a washdown system. So wash down on a hose reel as well. Coming back around the side of the machine, this is our control box. So standard Falcon controls, touch screen right here at the back corner of the machine. Again, out of harm's way, over here located on the curb side. This is just an empty, an open tool storage bin. So whatever tools work best for the operation, they've got a nice open bin here. It's slotted so any material would fall down and through the bottom of the machine. On this side, we also have a spoils bin. So this spoils bin has a slanted floor. Put materials in, open the door, the material will evacuate itself. Again, Honda motor, Viking pump for your tack spray system, and your 50-gallon tack tank. On this side, we also have a basket for a plate compactor. Hydraulic up and down. It's got a safety chain on it, as you can see. So we'll put it up, just to release the pressure on the chain. You're going to unhook, and then you can drop that tray to the ground. Put your plate compactor or small vibratory roller on there, lift it back up, and away you go. These are your controls and your for your 50-gallon tack tank. This also has a Beckett burner on it to heat that material. And these are your controls for either your tack coming out of your main tank or release coming out of the round tank behind it. You also have a molasses valve here if you need tack material in a bucket. There you have it, a 6-ton hopper.